Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Keturah and I love sharing aspects of my home and lifestyle with you guys. So today guys, I am here in my small living room bringing you some more ideas that you can use for your own summer decorating in your own space. The goal for today is to show you how you can create a seamless flow in your space using the concept of repetition. So I'm just going to be switching a few things around and then we are going to get started. So I invite you to keep watching to see the final results. So what is repetition? Repetition is the concept that involves using shapes, colors, patterns, and so on more than once in a space. In today's video, I am focusing on color, the use of color. Now, you may choose to use one color throughout the space, but with different shades of that color, or you may choose to use two colors or even three. In today's styling, I am using lavender, yellow, and something like a bronze gold. By repeating the colors, you will create a cohesive look that allows your eye to roam easily around the room, as well as add interest to your home. So here guys, in this layout I have brought in two side tables that I usually keep in my bedroom, and I have placed them on the diagonal. Now placing the tables on the diagonal tricks the eye into seeing a bigger space. Now I'm coming in with this floral arrangement. It's the same arrangement that I had used in my kitchen, my summer kitchen clean and decorate with me. And if you haven't seen this video, I will link it in the description box. And as you can see, I have the colors going on in this arrangement. I have the yellow and I have the lavender in there. On the other table, I am just going to add a lamp to balance out the other side. Now, in order to tie in what I have going on the first table, I'm going to repeat the same colors on the second table. And to do this, I'm starting with this vase that I got from Home Sense, and I'm adding a lavender pick, some greenery, and I'm going to be adding a couple of yellow picks. Now back on the other table, I am adding these 2 gold candlestick holders, and I'm just changing out the black candles to this. It's sort of like a caramel colored candle, and it's caramel colored, yes, but it blends in really nicely with the rest of the colors in the space. To the fireplace stand now, I am adding a couple of candle holders that I got a few years ago from HomeSense. And the glass on these candle holders, they have like an amber color to them. So as you can see, I'm not using the same exact colors all the time, but when you put them together, when you look at the entire space, it presents a unified look. So guys, this is what the first part, the front of the living room is looking like now. So as you can see, everything flows in nicely. Now for the couch, I already have the 2 solid yellow pillows that I'm going to use to anchor each corner of the sofa, but I'm just going to add this throw that I also got from HomeSense, and again it has this kind of bronze goldish caramel color. That's the only way I can describe it, honestly. And I'm just going to add the yellow pillow to it. Next guys, I'm coming in with this lavender and gold pillow, and I'm finishing off with this lumbar pillow. And to finish off the space to the coffee table, I am adding this tray and this gold vase with some yellow potpourri. So to create this look, I took the other lavender and gold pillow cover that I have and I stuffed it inside of the vase, and then I added the yellow flowers to it. So guys, this is the final look. We have created a visually pleasing look using the concept of repetition of color. And remember to spread the colors throughout the space. Each color should show up at least 2 or 3 times. You can do more, but as a basic rule of thumb, minimum 2 or 3 times. Alright guys, so we have come to the end, well, almost to the end of the video. And you know how we do it. If you are pleased with what you saw, I would ask that you give a thumbs up to the video, and as always, leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about this particular video. I would also ask that you share this video with someone who you think may gain something from watching the video. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your participation as always. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.